part, I walk right out the door, water is right there, right out our door. 20 minutes after arrival, ready to fish. Oh my God. Oh, it's a Corvina! It's a Corvina! My first Corvina! Dude, that's a monster. Careful. Oh, shit. Oh, halibut! Halibut! Little pancake out of the water. There he goes. Cheers to you guys. Cheers to you, Joe. This is crazy. This is what I get to wake up to every day. Oh, I got turnbirds busting right here. All the boats right here looks like they're making bait right here. So it doesn't look like it's a far journey to make bait. We're catching spotties right there, catching spotties in Corvina and triggers right there. And they pick us up right at our hotel room. Look at that. So this is the true morning of day one. Yesterday was day one, but we got out here extra early so that we can kind of see town and everything and get to hit the shore pound during the day and everything. So we got out here pretty early to make sure that we get the full experience. Now is like true day one. They're picking us up with the Panga right here at our hotel room. I'm super excited to get out on the water. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Again, we are in Bay of Del A. Today we're fishing with Joel. Pretty nice Panga. Excited to get out. It's gonna be 4 of us fishing today. T-tower is pretty far back from the bow, so it's not gonna get in the way of casting at all. All of our rods are all stacked up, ready to go. Now, all we gotta do is get where these turnbirds are crashing and start jigging up some bait. Just casual, full-ass whale carcass right here. We walked for 45 seconds. Hotel room's right there. Launch ramp is right here. It doesn't get any better than that.
Breakfast is right there.
And breakfast is right there. That's what we're walking to. We're gonna go get some burritos. They're gonna pick us up at the launch ramp. We're gonna get out of here. But look at this sunrise. Holy crap.
Oh yeah. That's where the door was broken. Stop that.
Yeah, Joe. Yeah, Joe. Oh, good one?
That's a good one, man. Grab.
Yeah, doubled up. Oh yeah, Joe. Dude, that's a good one. Dude. Oh, another nice one too. Holy crap.
Alright, let's get a rock for it.
Oh yeah, Jason.
Really hook.
Joe. Oh no.
That's a good one, dude.
Dude. That's how you're starting the trip, alright.
Okay, alright.
I just got the first one of the trip.
Alright, that's a nice one, huh? Good size.
Joe's on another one. The confetti, huh? Sheesh, dude. Hell yeah, Joe.
Yeah.
Another yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Cabrilla. Oh, dude, it's a freaking big Cabrilla. Joe, holy crap, dude. I got a 10 on the confetti. You're smacking everything. Holy crap. That's a nice one, Joe. Heck yeah, Joe. Joe's killing it today, man. 30 minutes into fishing, he's got 2 double digits. Is this a yellow? Dude, I think that's another yellow. That's a yellow. That's another yellow, Joe.
It's good.
Oh yeah. I gotta start throwing the surface iron if that's the case.
They are wrong for sure. They are.
Okay. Oh yeah, Joe.
What is that? What kind of jig is that, Ray?
Starman 112.
Oh,
dude. That's Cabrilla.
Leslie doesn't work at Liz's anymore? No.
Is it a yellow?
I think it's a small Cabrilla,
Kinda, it's swimming like a yellow.
It's a yellow. Flew out of the water court.
I mean, if it came out of the water and you saw it.
It's a yellow.
It's a yellow.
It's a yellow.
That's yellow.
Cool grouper. A big ass grouper or something. It is. It's yellow, huh?
That's a yellow. Yeah, it's pinwheeling, big head shakes.
I've never tried to go deep in water.
Oh shit. Stop it. Stop it. Maybe it is a big grouper, dude.
Yellow. Big yellow.
Big yellow. Is your drag tension for 80 pound?
Loosened it a little bit.
Huh?
Loosened it a little bit.
Oh, okay. So that's why I was able to run like that.
We are 50 feet water. Still pretty tight though.
Yeah. We're still shallow enough for it to rock you, so. I mean, you're good now, but on that run.
That's a yellow. It's a yellow. You can see it?
Yeah, he's got good color.
Nice yellow.
Dude, nice one, Joe. Oh, dude, nice yellow, Joe. Yeah! Heck yeah, Joe! Dude!
That's a good
On the bass rod? Holy shit! Huh?
Oh, look at those.
Oh, that was yellow. Dude, yellow, yellow. Oh, oh, dude.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Dude, right at the boat.
Sashimi, son.
Holy crap, dude. Dude, he just slurped it.
There's like 7 of them too.
Dude, there's a lot. There's like close to 15 of them in there. That thing just slurped it, dude. There it is. Oh!
Bass, dude. Told you guys I only need to catch 1 yellow. Every trip to Mexico, 1 yellow. Yellow for sure.
Is this already your best yellowtail day?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah? We're like 45 minutes into fishing. Yeah. Dude. Dude. He's not that big. He's not that big.
Here, boys.
Whoa, dude. Maybe he was that big. I don't think so, though.
I almost had that fucker without even letting me take any line. Yeah, you don't know. All right, man. Is it good? Is it number 3 or 4, huh? All right, yeah.
It didn't look that big. Maybe it is. Right here. All right.
All right.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
Oh, welcome. Good job.
My first real fish of the trip. My Corvino was the first real fish of the trip. Yeah. That was a bucket list fish for me. So that's... Okay, so this rod is not a...
Yellowtail.
Not a yellowtail rod. I didn't even notice that boiler rock.
And you hit it right on it?
It's so sad. The biggest rock in the water, and I didn't even notice it.
That one ate that mine right at the boat.
Dude, mine was... Oh, there's one.
There's another one.
Yeah. Yeah, that's yellow. I think it's a Cabrilla. Nah, I don't know. He's staying up and down pretty good. That's a Cabrilla. Yeah, it's a nice Cabrilla.
That's a Cabrilla. Oh, nice one. Yeah, it is.
Oh, dude!
Oh, man.
Oh my God!
Good one. That is a...
Oh my God!
God, man.
Holy crap, dude!
12, 13 pounds.
Oh my God! Very next cast. I still got my giant in hand. Joe's on now. Cabrilla?
I think so. Yeah, it's a Cabrilla.
Yeah. He's staying straight. That's Cabrilla.
First pull is so hard. That's when you need really tight drag. Oh, you laugh. For photo.
Either one. Oh, damn, Joe.
That's another one.
Just got my first Cabrilla of the trip. Like, yeah. Yeah, hell yeah.
Joe just
What a nice one out to me. Huh? Dude, let's get a doubles photo. Yeah.
double photo, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Right 14.5.
14.5. I think that's 14.3 was
Oh, that's big. Yeah, that's
2 ounces heavier.
Okay.
Heck yeah, dude. Update, it is 9 o'clock. We've been fishing for all of, what, like hour? Been fishing for about an hour 20. First drift of the day. Joe's got 5 yellowtail and like 5 Cabrilla. I just got 1 yellowtail, 1 Cabrilla back-to-back casts. Jason's got a handful as well. Like, it's freaking biting. This is just day 1 fishing Bay of LA with Captain Hillel.
Welcome.
Putting us on them. We're getting them. Bay of LA is already like exceeding my expectations. This is incredible. I'm stoked to see what this weekend brings for us. I'll keep you guys posted as we keep on fishing throughout the day.
Oh, we're on!
Oh, I ended it right at the, dang it.
Update, we're big.
Yeah, I ended it at the same time that he hooked up. Dang. So yeah, it's biting. That looks like yellow, yeah?
Yellow.
That's yellow. Yeah, so it's yeah, it's biting. Dang, that would have been such a sick little update. Straight up and down. Oh, is that a Tatula? 300?
400.
400? That color? There it is. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, oh, double. Double up.
Double.
Here, color.
All right, heck yeah. Let's go over to the next one over here.
That would be a
Oh, it's a
Cabrilla.
Cabrilla and the double.
Cabrilla and yellowtail double, like
Yeah, we're on this one.
heck yeah. Solid like 7 to 8 pounder.
Yeah.
These fish are so fat.
Show off the camera real quick.
Beautiful fish.
Heck yeah, gorgeous fish.
Beautiful.
And right back in the water she goes. Woo!
Big Cabrilla.
Oh yeah, Cap.
Good job, man. Nice one.
Good job.
Oh, right there. Right there.
Boil, boil, boil.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at him go. Oh, my God. Dude, look at him. Oh, 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 come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, my God. I got followed so hard, dude. Oh, my God. Look at him go.
And none of us are gonna get one.
Oh. Update, it is 11:30. It shut off for about an hour and then all of a sudden, oh, it boils right here. All of a sudden, the yellowtails just started crushing microbaits. It's hard to find the schools that aren't spooking from the boat motor that actually want to bite, but it seems like we finally found a school that's wanting to bite full-size stuff right now, so we're gonna stick around and grind. Hopefully we get a handful more. So far I got one on the jig. Oh, they're blowing up out there. Jason just got one on the hydro minnow. It's tough, but we're gonna try to stick on these schools and see if they want to bite for us. Got a few more hours before our session's over. Oh, boil right there. Oh, look at him. Oh my God. There's one. Yeah. Got him. You just gotta wait for your shot. Make your cast count. Dude, that thing thrashed so hard on the surface when I hooked it. Yeah. Yeah. My custom wrapped jig stick. Oh. It's a pretty good one.
That one, Jason.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll let him go.
I keep it.
Okay.
I didn't eat the yellow for the last
That's all you, man.
couple months. I only went a couple, yes.
Am I under or over?
You're
Under. I landed right in. Oh, dude, they're going so hard to the left.
Yeah, they're coming close to us.
Oh God, they're coming in. Oh my God, they're right here. Holy shit. Jason, oh dude, you guys are so f***ing bit. Oh!
Oh! I sped it up and he
Oh my God, they're all over the boat. Oh yeah, getting on them now. Jason picked up another one. Are they blowing up off the point out there? You on? Oh! Damn. Woo. Jason. Another one. Hell yeah, Joe. How's that rod feel? It's perfect for Cabrilla, huh? Later, bud. Oh yeah, Joe. Graceful. Alright, we got one right here. Joe just landed one. Blade's got his first fish of the day. They're boiling over there. They're boiling over there. Oh my God, huge spot of fish here. All right, 2:30. I think we're actually leaving this time. That was a cool little stop. We still got fish on the back of the deck.
They were literally fleeing. We were on our way home. Saw a spot of boiling yellows that just wanted to commit suicide. It was that big. But now I think we're actually on our way home, unless we see something stupid like that again. But now I think we're actually on our way home. I think Joe experienced his best yellowtail day ever. Sure. Yeah, he did. So far, so far. That's a good, yeah, keyword, so far. I'll see you guys on land. We're hitting the foot patrol as soon as we're home.